Going on today, team? I hope everybody is having a good day and you protected yourself from the morons that are running rampant all across the internet talking about the market here. So, a new 52-week lows today. Can't say I'm surprised. So let's see over here. If you guys want to go see a little bit more insight into that tweet over there, I told you so. So let's take a look at this over here. But again, guys, hopefully everybody's having a good day. Didn't get caught too much in the chop over here. We're able to make some money. But again, this is a public stream. So if you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button on the way in, we've had a very, very busy day getting our members over to platform. Very soon, you guys in the public are going to have access to it too. We're closed down to the public right now. We're only letting our existing members in right now, but we will let you guys know when there are spots coming in very, very soon. So that could be the 16th. Let's see. Rehypothecated likes. No. Oh my God. You guys are murdering the like button today. Jesus, team. Thank you. I appreciate that. How do you get in? Wayne, we've been talking about it all day. Go look in the announcement section and go test it out. We're not going to talk about it here because this is a public stream. We're getting all of our existing members in, which I do know you are an existing member. But go check out the announcement section. You'll have all the info in there. Well, let's have some fun, dude. I'm really having a good time just like emotionally triggering people on the internet right now. Because they're like, no, Ape is going to 80. We're going to do another rant. Go watch the rant from yesterday's video. I'm pretty sure that explains it pretty damn well. But Wayne, I think there's a couple of spots left. So make sure you guys go test that out. You guys all know the code. Don't say it. Don't you? Why are you rubbing salt? Because fuck you. That's why. That's why. Honestly, because fuck you. That's why. Because everybody was giving me so much shit. I'm triggered. I'm straight up not having a good time, bro. Rands, I tried to tell you. Buddy. I really hope you didn't get caught too much in it, but I tried to tell everybody. That tweet made you laugh. Yeah, I'm just some idiot that some hedge fund just pays every month, man. What do I know? Fucking more than everybody else, apparently. Jesus. Are all of us OGs automatically in? Not automatically, Jerry. So you actually have to go in and use the code, but go check the announcements channel in the Discord and you guys should be good to go. You like that 80-cent rant from yesterday? And I was going law about AMC and Ape. Yes, Rams, about those. So Spy's just really just chopping around over here. Let's see what we're going to get. Jesus, we're already 11 likes away from 50, you fucking animals. Also, I now have beef with Streamlabs because it kicked me off of me and Gabe's stream. I don't know why it did that. It's going to 80, like 0.008. It's getting low, man. It's getting low. I mean, it's not like I told you or anything. TLT, it's up today, isn't it? They were buying the fuck out of the bonds this morning. Yeah, TLT up another 1.88%. Nice. Just getting there. There's some synthetic likes in there. I checked in the dark pool. Oh, man. All right, guys. Let's have a little bit of fun going into the end of the day here. See if there's anything that we like. It's going where Shiba is. Dude, it might. I love when people just get angry at me and I just point back on. I'm just like, I told you. I told you. Do you guys remember the live stream that myself, Gabe, and then the person that asked us for 150K did, where like we just me and Gabe were talking a lot of shit because it was terrible, and then everybody lost their minds. Leo, the reason is because people are still listening to these fucking morons on the internet, and talking shit is fun, and there's nothing going on in the market right now. Zero. You're taking a synthetic nap. Nice. Yeah, it's just Chop City. There's not really much going on here. Yeah, I'll throw that link to that tweet back in here if you guys want to go see it. It's a fun time. I like it. Give it a like. But that mascot, Disney's buying AMC? They don't want to piss money away like that, dude. That's the dumbest shit I've ever heard. Disney's not buying AMC. That's stupid. Let's see. 10-year getting hit, dollar coming down. Remember what I said yesterday? They're just using you for clicks and views. And what does that generate up to? Maybe 10 to 14 grand a month in YouTube revenue. You're in and cancel Patreon. Thanks, STV. Skidmore. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Pay taxes with synthetic money. I don't know, man. Some people are gonna have to figure that out. This is how much of a clown. Oh my god. Why? Cause. Oh my god, this is great. Let's see. I love this. This is fun. This is fun. I like it. Espinoza, what's up, buddy? I'm putting it out there. 113 on TLT, end of the week. Not financial advice, just following the trend. It could. What's it at now? 108. If they keep buying those bonds, yeah, it definitely could get up there. Oh, we are gonna have so much fun with this. Let's see. ANC filed is confirmed. What is that? What are you talking about there? All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. We'll focus up a little bit here. Dude, I'm so pumped for new platform too. I can't wait to show you guys in the public how just nasty it is. AMD looks like it's going down. Ugh, that would hurt. That would hurt. Oh, it's holding on. It's holding on to 70. Oh, it was below 70 this morning. Oh, fast stock news? What did he say? Oh, that's not good. Oh, boy. Ugh, that's not good. 1348 was driving like a Ferrari before. Now 1348 platform is like driving a Ferrari F1 car. I know some of you guys are in there. Oh, those of you guys who are in platform right now who have gotten early access to it, how do you like it? How do you like it so far? AMD to $10? AMD's not going to 10, bro. What's happening? No, the market's just chopping around. But yeah, that's the no bueno there, dude. Let's see. Like it, but how do you get the alerts? We'll have that dinging feature for you guys very soon. Lovely. Can't wait to check it out on your PC when you get home. There you go. So we put in the promo code after the 3-week trial? No, no, no. No, you put it in when you buy. But you said 8 to 0. Why not AMD to 10? Because AMD has actual value. Oh, to copy what? Andy, to copy what? Oh, of course he is. Everybody likes to copycat us over here. But guess what? There's this really nice thing that we have in our back pocket called, well, we have a lot of cool things. 3-week trial is free. Right. Okay. But you have to sign up through it. Don't put in the code after. Do I have access to a Bloomberg terminal? No, we can get one. Sound like us last year. Bro, my AMD investment has had a 48%, well, probably not exactly that now, 48% compound annual return. Compound annual growth rate for 5 years. Chilling. Oh, boy. Let's see. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. AMD at VWAP. Everything's just kind of flickering around over here. Nothing much, dude. What's up, guys? No, Raphael. No. I'm gonna put you on the steps for that one, bud. You're gonna get put on the steps there, pal. And I know you're joking, but you're getting put on the stair steps for that one. Sorry. No nonsense, even if it's a joke. I'm just kidding. I think I can untime you out. Oh no, I can't. Sorry. You have 300 seconds. Yeah. Raphael, I feel like you weren't joking there now. So now I feel bad about timing you out. Because I didn't fully read your name first, and I just thought it was some idiot coming in here trying to pump their bags on us. Let's see. All right. Make nonsense great again? You can't do that. I love it. I love it. Let's see. All right, Nancy bouncing up a little bit here. Where's Tessie? Tessie. You buy dailies. Elgene, stop it. Stop. Stop. No nonsense, guys. Why do we have to? Okay, here's what we're going to do. I got to run and grab my coffee in like 2 seconds, but I'll be right back. Give me like 2 seconds. Hit that like button on the way in. My coffee's ready, and it's under the K-Cup maker. So we're going to have to grab that quick. Cool. Sorry about that. Had to grab the coffee. When's the Fed talk? Next week? Next week? Login bud should be on the top right. Apple doesn't seem like it wasn't want to visit Iowa today. I don't think it does either. It's kind of flatlined here. I think we're going to see chop, and then maybe at the end of the day, you see a little bit of nonsense, but other than that, nothing crazy. Bring back the hoodie and energy drink SCV? No, that's not happening. Sorry, Rans. I just do whatever now. I just like cause emotional damage on the internet. Let's see. You think the platform brought you back to Discord? Is that correct? Yeah. You'll be able to link back in. You should be good to go. As long as you re-signed up through, like, as long as you've re-linked through platform, you're good to go. Baba? What's up with Baba here? Let's see. All right. Man, it's kind of flatlined over here. Let's see. You'll be watching those daily EMAs on the SPY. How's it looking? Oops, that's a weekly. We don't want that. Ooh, 390. Isn't the 4 hour at 390? 390.09. Well, the 4 hour 200 sitting right there. Let's see. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Things are, it's really flat over here. We could probably have a little bit of fun. You're in at 96 on Patreon. Can you explain the 49 for life again? Oh, Jesus. Yes. Okay. Roland, actually, how about we do this? Go to the announcements channel and then look at those. Diana. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I don't mean to. Sorry. That probably came across as bad. We've probably talked about this for like 2 weeks, and I feel like a broken record, just like saying it over and over and over and over and over and over. Are you back? Yes, you are back, Raphael. Sorry about that. Okay, so Roland, everybody that was an existing member of the Patreon as of December 1st gets access to the $49 deal. We've been slowly funneling people in. We did release that new code today, which I believe still has a couple of slots left, which is in the announcements, which is why I told you to go over into announcements. It's not 49 for life. The lifetime price currently is 1,348, so 1348. But that has limited spots, which is only available right now to our existing members as well. It's all good, brother. I've been busy working a lot. Hadn't had a chance. No, I understand. I get it. It's okay. I refuse to ask anything till I watch the videos. Mark, nice. Good job. But yes, Roland, if you're in there, go kind of browse around. But I know Diana feels it over here because Diana's probably answering the same stuff. We just keep going over and over, but it's okay. Yeah. So you guys all know what the deal is. It's still an announcement if you guys want to go get it. But all you outside people, you're gonna have to wait. Yes, it will be $49 per month for life if you get it. And again, that's going to end at the end of the month. So if you don't get it, Skidmark, please don't ask that. Once your Discord is connected to the platform, can you cancel Patreon? Yes, you can. Guys, it's okay. It's so simple. You're overcomplicating it. You're like overthinking 2 plus 2, and you're trying to like do 2 plus 2 times 7 divided by 7 and flying it all around the place. It tells you. Guys, it walks you through. So there's pop-ups that tell you when you can cancel Patreon. You're deep in meta materials. God, I feel so bad for that. I don't know when you bought it, but this thing is just a dumpster fire. Look, daily. Death candles all the way down. It is coming back up a little bit now, but what goes up must come down. Billy, not something that I would typically want to trade or invest in. I think it's another one of those pumps by retail. It said $69 a month before. Hey, Raul, stop it. No. I'm gonna have to time that one out, pal. Sorry. Don't be leaking my code. Don't. I will read your message now, but you cannot be over here leaking the code to the public now. All right, bud? Yes, Raul. What's your hold on? I'll tell you right now if you have it. I can just go search. Fucking this can't be like we gotta like actually do some other stuff too. We can't just do like customer support stream. Maybe I'll hop on and do that tonight, maybe with you guys, and just be like, all right, anybody that has questions, I'll go through and tell you. Actually, I can do this right here and I'll tell you. Boom. Boom. You are all good to go, buddy. You are all good to go. Oh, I didn't mean to get out of that. Fuck. Dude's just petty. No, Raul, we can't have you out here leaking the code. It's limited today, so don't be leaking that. All right, people. Keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's have some fun. You know who's not having fun? I love it. No code after today. No, you guys will get new codes, but that code that's only for our people right now. Got on the platform, follow the vids, and all worked fine. Notice the 3 alerts are different from Discord. Yeah, it's slightly different. I think it's running on a new system, so we gotta. I'll talk to Andy a little bit more about that. Let's see here. Yeah, you guys are trying to leak our shit, dude. Everybody's always trying to steal. Hey, give me 150 grand. No, fuck off. Like, hey, I'm gonna try and do all that. No, stop. You can't. Unfazed. All right, let's see. Leakers. No, but Raul, I had to time that message out just because I had to hide the code, but you're fine. I looked at the stuff. You're good. All right, let's see. Let's see. Adrian, thank you so much for the super, buddy. I appreciate that. I've been disconnected for a while, too much work, but thanks to Diana for great support, and the whole team for the great webpage and cloud app. Adrian, thank you, man. We really appreciate that. Thank you so much for the super. Again, you guys don't have to send in supers. If you don't want to, but Adrian, I really appreciate that. Benzinga, AMC Entertainment lenders organized with restructuring advisor. That's not good. There's two things that can mean. One, also, shout out to Andy. Andy's in the live chat over here. There's two things that can mean. One, it's a debt restructuring thing where they're gonna try and push out more debt and basically kick the can down the road. Or two, they're fucked. That's the two things. SV hid the code completely. I couldn't even see the deleted message. Oh, did I ban him? Oh no, I timed him out. We're good. I was like, fuck. Dump incoming AMD puts. Yeah, we're slipping a little lower here. Let's see. Where's the dollar? Moving up? A little bit. Little bit. Is this a Tina thing? There is no alternative for bonds? Yeah. Yeah, this is what we're seeing play out in the market right now. So now it's BA. Bonds are an alternative. BAAA. DE. Is that John Deere? Do I own that? I think I own that. Huh. Did we hit it? Code's invalid? I don't think so. Try it again. Make sure you're not putting it in the damn, like the gift card section. You haven't received anything to join the new platform yet? Should you check with Diana? No. No. Go to the announcement section, please. Surely. Just go to the announcement section. It'll tell you what you need to do. When affiliate links, don't tempt Andy. Don't be mad. Don't get Andy all worked up. Randy can say he doesn't know how to trade anyway. Rand, imagine you should appear in your group without payment. Would you let me stay? Probably not. Like, I don't think you can. Like, there's no way to do that. Should I make Andy a mod? I'm gonna make Andy a mod. That's what we're gonna do here. Andy, you've been knighted. There you go. Andy's now a mod. So watch out if you talk shit to Andy, he's just gonna time you out now. Let's see. I don't know why we didn't do that earlier. All right, team. Woo! No. Do a video of the sign up process. Pretty sure it already exists. Okay, maybe we can work on that too. Congrats on the promotion. Now he just looks pretty and has like timeoutable skill. Like, you thought this was a public stream? It is a public stream. It is a public stream. Guys, keep hitting that like button on the way, and you slackers. We're what, 29 away from 100? Mod squad? Rans, you're like probably one of the only ones from like the old mod squad that's like allowed to stay. All the other ones are just like idiot. There's one. Vegas is cool. There are a couple other ones that are cool too, that if I saw them in here, I'd be like, all right, cool. But can we talk stocks, please? Yeah. What do you want to know about? Like, nothing's happening. You're seeing the SPY slip a little bit here. Like, not a whole lot is happening. You're seeing things move a little bit, but this is just an overall chop day. We saw the big moves yesterday and today, or sorry, the yesterday and Monday. And now you've seen all of this choppy bullshit. You're basically seeing, oh, here we go. This is a really, really, really good thing that we got to talk about here. So if you guys saw the video last night, that's titled "You're All Wrong." everybody that's been calling for a pivot just showed us that they weren't confident in their position, that are going to hold to it by continuing buying. They're not putting their money where their mouth is, saying that there's actually going to be a pivot or somewhat of good news coming in December. Why is that? Well, if you look at the daily time frame here on the SPY, when you saw this sort of pivot narrative here, okay, cool. Yeah, you run up a little bit, but then what happens? Now everybody starts looking towards Powell when there's not that much economic data coming out for the rest of this week, with CPI next Tuesday and Powell next Wednesday. And what happens? Death. That means that these buyers that were buying it up from here are not as confident in their position as everybody made it seem that they were. So when you see this pivot narrative, you have to think it's bullshit until you actually get the signs that the Fed can actually pivot. Have we? No. So like I just don't understand. People are making these wild calls out all the time, and it's like, what are you doing? Oh, you think the SPY is gonna run crazy? Why? Is inflation coming? No. Is job market? Not really. How's the Russian Ukraine situation going? Still fucking terrible. How's oil doing? OPEC still screwing around. China and Taiwan, what has changed? Nothing. What do you think about 390 end of the day to hit the 48 EMA on the daily? It's also the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. So I think it's possible. If you get that cascading sell down, I just don't really foresee this thing like having 3 days in a row of just death. Can you have a wrench? No, I just thought it would be fun to give Andy a wrench. That's kind of, I was just like, oh, that would be fun. Oh, I'm doing so good on my emotional damage too on Twitter. I love it. This is a great time. Let's see. He wanted to give me more work. Oh no, Andy, you don't have to do anything. You could just lurk here sometimes and then just be like, haha, timeout if you want to like entertain yourself. Like that's that's what the all right. We're seeing it SPY slip a little bit here. Ooh, it's hunting. It's hunting. Ooh, Invictus is going hunting a little bit here too. Hello. Why do we have fucking John Deere up here still? What? Oh, the dividend news? Yeah, I remember that. The potential bankruptcy of AMC. Turbo, I think it's more debt restructuring. But also at the same time, I told ya at when the day Ape came out, I was like, no, 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 no. And then there's other morons out there that are like, yeah, it's going up. Don't listen to those fucking people. They're so stupid. The one thing I hate most in this world are two things. There's probably a lot more things that I hate in this world, but one is stupidity. If you see something come out that's literally a modified GoFundMe, sorry, we're going on a fucking rant again because it pisses me the fuck off that people are losing money. Fuck those people. Like seriously, you should anybody that's been saying that Ape was a good idea and now it's at 80 cents, everybody should be going to their channels and saying, "Hey dude, fuck you. Why are you such a moron?" Are my YouTube times random? Am I ever on at market open? I technically, yes, every single day I'm on at market open, but that's for our private community. Every day I usually come on at like 1:30. Sorry, it just pisses me off, bro, for a wide variety of reasons. All right, let's see. Ooh, Jesus. All right, cool. So SPY slipping a little bit here. Again, this whole thing just looks like chop. I'm not taking anything else for the rest of the day. Done. No thanks. But yeah, Janice, I am on usually market open, but that's for our private community and on platform. And then what do you call it? Then I'm on publicly like once a day. Actually, Gabe and I will probably be on public too. Once we start those combined multi streams again, I'll probably be on a little bit earlier. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, I have another. I have another. All right. Let's see. What are we gonna get here? I mean, Nancy's holding on. Haven't been on recently, but I signed up for Discord last month. I also need to sign up for the new platform under the announcements link. Yeah, yeah. If there's still slots left with the code, yeah. And then it'll once you sign up and then you link your Discord account back through platform, you can then go and cancel Patreon. Those were bars. You mean like you liked my rant, Leo? Thank you. I appreciate it. Spy hunting a little cross down here. Let's see what we got. Everything's just flippity floppity chop city over here. Can I get Tesla R size approaching 50, MACD light green, ADX approaching up, possibly a put? Oh yeah. I mean, did it already cross up, cross down? Oh, this is Tesla right here. See, I don't like just because I mean, yeah, SPY looks like it could easily just go nosedive here. Like it's already kind of done its flicker pitter patter on the way up. It definitely could nosedive here, but at the same time, it's just chop city today, dude. Spot still available. It's so easy. Just follow the directions. There we go, Tony. Oh, what did you say? I didn't even see it, buddy. I can't. I don't see it. Well, a scalp. You definitely scalp it to the low, 172.22. Risk the 13. That's what I would look at here. But in general, like I'm not taking this. I don't want to take a lot of this right now. Yeah, it looks like things are starting to move down, but this thing could easily just get bought up here and then right back up. Thanks for the honesty. Fell into the pump crowd of YouTubers and lost quite a bit last year. Appreciate the realness. Turbo, no problem, man. I mean, I tried to help people. That's the thing in it. Like, it sucks because the people that like actually listened. I wish that video that I put out, those 2 videos about Ape when it first came out, had like 200,000 views. Because then people would have been able to save themselves. But no, they listened to the idiots that said it was going to fucking 80. Now it's at 80 cents. Cool. All right. Hopefully everybody learned their lesson. But the problem is I don't think they will. Good to be back trading. Too busy. And Patreon didn't build my card, so I suddenly didn't get notifications. But once again, a 69er. Chip. Well, it's lucky for you. You're about to get a $49 deal too. But yeah, Turbo, it's hard to, you got to know how to differentiate between the two. SPY is slipping, hunting the low here. It's hunting this right now, 292.27. Where is Microsoft? Ooh. We like people to make money. Yeah, exactly. Watch the chart, not the pumpers. Turbo, 100%, man. See, Turbo, you're one of the, see, this is what I wish more people would do. Like you came in and like asked a question, or somebody came in here and you were like, "Oh, what about this?" And it's like, that's the way to do it. Are you still timed out? No, Raul, you're back. Sorry, buddy. Just don't say what the code is. But that's how I like things. It's like you ask a question, I respond, and you say, "Okay, like that's cool." Like, and then if you had something else that you wanted to say, it's like, "Oh, let's go back and forth." But as soon as people start doing like, "You're a hedge fund shill," I'm like, "Yeah, you're just a fucking idiot," which you didn't do, which I commend. Andrew the Ape, yep, 100%. 100%, man. The code is there. Code's not working, then it might be full. Make sure you're putting it in the code in the coupon code section, not the gift card section. Also, if you want to get the $49 deal, don't sign up at 69 and don't make sure the code goes through. Can you time out Raul just for fun? No, squirrel. Raul was just in timeout for like 5 minutes. We're not going to put Raul back in timeout again. That would be not nice of us. I mean, we do have 250 until we get let's see what this next candle gives us. I mean, you got less than a minute to go on this candle. My bad, dude. Didn't realize you were on the peasants. Jesus. Thanks for talking me out, though. Took that Invictus Starbucks for $300. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Fuck yeah. Keep saying invalid. It's just ANKLEF, ankles. It shouldn't be invalid. I think people are still using it. Make sure the coupon code goes into the gift card section. No, it's not supposed to go to the gift card section. Time out all the mods? I don't think I can. Oh, I can time out all the mods. Where are we going? You market Oracle? Honestly, at this point, I think it's going to fuck around. I'm probably not doing much with it today. Don't say that. I can time out the mods. Don't you make me use my powers. 6.26% for the day, 7.78 for the week. Thank you, Jack, and the 1348 crew. No problem, Marky Mark. That's what we love to see, man. I love this. Oh, they're so pissed. Oh, let's see. You just told everyone the code? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Well, you don't have the fuck. No. No, I didn't. Fuck. Andy? No. You even spelled it out. This has not gone as planned. Okay, no more. This is what happens when you scramble my brain and like, fuck. And I forget that there's a thing. I don't think you're going to do it. I don't think you're going to. No. I could just kill it right now. Let's see. Hold on. I may have to kill it. I'm going to kill it like right now. Get ready. All right. What's up, Andy? Hold on.
You spelled it out.
I didn't mean to. They kept asking me questions like, oh, can I do this? They were asking the same questions that they were this morning, and my brain just died.
Yeah, so you need a wrench, like a human wrench, standing behind you to clock you upside the head every time you make a mistake.
Dude, I need to get put in timeout for that one. So, all right, how long is it gonna take you to kill the code? Like what? 10 minutes?
It could. Look. Let's give it a mulligan and just say, if you got it, you got it. I mean, I've been enjoying the people in your stream, so let it fly.
Okay. Well, I apologize. Maybe next time we gotta okay, guys. Everybody on the live stream right now, let's keep the service questions to the Discord or the private streams, because like this is what happens. So fuck.
Yeah, if you guys have questions, please head over to the Discord. There's also a feedback button right on the platform. Just click it. The messages come right to me. So I'll take care of it. Don't worry about it. Code is all good, but code is all good.
All right. Well, sorry about that. Let me know when it's all right, guys. So we're probably gonna kill it in a second. So we're all right. Well, whoops.
No, if you got it, you have till the end of the day.
Oh.
You have till end of business day, end of the trading day to use it. Just go for it. Y'all good.
Okay. I apologize, Andy. My bad.
No worries, homie.
All right. See you guys.
All right, guys. Peace.
Okay. Well, look what you guys have done. Look what you've done. So you guys know where to find it. All right. So I guess that is what it is. I accidentally leaked the code. Well, so I'm not going to talk about it anymore, but back to stock talk. Sure. All right. 6 likes away from 100. SPY's just kind of consolidating at these lower levels here. Let's see if it wants to break. It doesn't want to. He said, look what we have done, you people. I know. That one's on me. All right. Let's see. It's teetering here. Yeah. See, right back up. Member party in Vegas next year? We might have to. I'm going to need 150K or else I'll clip it. Don't you dare clip that, bro. Don't you dare. Can't even imagine that. Raul. See, this is the problem. I timed out Raul for it, then I did the same fucking thing. All right, let's see. Microsoft hunting a little cross down here. Oh, that's what I wanted to look at. See? There we go. Wow, you guys are really asking about like a lot of AMC right now. What's it at, dude? It's down 10% today. I don't know. You might get a little support at 6, but what goes up must come down. This thing is not. Guys, you got to have your expectations in check. I've been trying to tell everybody since August before I just said fuck it. I'm not dealing with this crap anymore. This is not good, especially with the news that came out. Again, it could be just debt restructuring and they're going to find a way to make a deal and deal, but not good. No bueno. You owe Raul an apology. Yeah, but the only way for me to time myself out of the stream is for me to like go sit over there for a second for like 5 minutes, which we're not going to do. Check the levels and buy puts. If you see the cross, go for it. Let's see. Yeah. I am causing a lot of emotional damage on Twitter now too. Raul got and face the wall. Guys, you can't put me in timeout. Like we're trying to see if the SPY's actually gonna knife here, which I don't think they're gonna do it. They could. It just doesn't. It just looks like it wants to chop around. So do I need to put in a code when move things over? Okay, we're gonna refrain from another slip up. Go to the announcements section, Chip. Please go to the announcements section. If Gabe hopped on STV to the corner, I could send Gabe the link and then just be like, all right, you got to take over. I got to go to timeout. Let's see. Hold on. Tilray. We got some weed news, I think. Oh. Yeah, and then SPY pops right back up here. This is just chop, dude. What is the code to put in? You can't catch me now. Now I'm done. Shirley got me. Chip's getting me. Like, no one puts STV in the corner. No, you're right. Y'all gonna tell on him? I didn't mean it. Yeah, Nancy running up a little. Because Michael, the only thing that he can say is, oops, this was an absolute fucking disaster. Fleshlight. That's not the code. Don't tell people the like random not correct codes, because then you're just gonna like fucking like mess around with it. You found it in the announcement. Thank you, Shirley. I can't really say that that's that one's not on me, because that one's on me. All right, let's see here. Whew. All right. Ooh, you guys are killing it on the likes today. Thank you, team. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in. Helps get these streams out to more people. Again, we're going to be real and truthful around here, not blow smoke up your ass. So then I can sit here and then make money on ad revenue when none of you guys are. That's not what we do. We're all winning together here. If I see something that I don't like, I'm just going to tell you. I don't care. Like I could give less of a fuck what people think on the internet. All right. Spy ribbon that 13 here. Let's see. Like the 150K code. You can't tell me where I like my smoke. Bullshit. Hit the ad button. No, I'm not hitting the damn ad button. Stop. Stop. I thought the whole thing was YouTubers bad. No money. Now you guys are here. The code is who's the snake. Ooh. When covered call video. I can probably get that done tonight. The internet thinks you're short and I comb my hair. That's cool. I don't really care. All right, folks. Things are honestly, if I had to look at this price action today, this is just wick bullshit and it price action's shitty. It's not trending. It's just like, yeah, it's shitty. Odds on Tesla. Did it come down and hit that low? No. This is why I didn't want to take that Tesla trade. What were we saying? Like it easily can knife from here, but the risk reward's shitty. Capitalism rules. Hit the ad button. What guys? It's not worth anybody's time for me to hit the ad button. Do you know what the ad button's worth right now? It's $1, I think. That's what I would estimate the ad button being. About $1. Maybe less. It's not worth anybody's time to do it. No, it would be around $1 for this one. But it's not like I have like a printer button where I can just like ding 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 ding. That's not how it works. 2 ape stocks. Yep. QQQ looks like it's coiling to pop up or down. I mean, a lot of these do. Coupon code invalid. Keep trying it. How did you exactly type it in? Because it should be all lower. Did I say it again? No, I didn't. Okay. Just go to the announcement section. That's what the code is. Don't put the quotations either. It might have been. It might be filled up now. I don't know. I'd have to ask Andy. Which I feel like I shouldn't bother Andy anymore because I did just make an oopsie. So I'm gonna leave that one be. 1348 needs its own ETF. We'll get there. No, don't ask how they spelled it. Yeah, I don't want to know how you spelled it. Don't, guys. This is so difficult to do because I'm so used to the private streams like from this morning, and it's like like how can we? I'm gonna get wrenched. Yeah, dude, I need to wrench myself. All right, guys, keeping that like button on the way in, mainly for my stupidity today. Oh man, I think it's the tacos. So Spy's rimming now. Why? Because me, Kevin has one? No, ours would be wild. Are you shadow bland? No, I can see you. Don't even go public anymore until the transition is complete. We're getting there. Did you win the Taco Tuesday bet? I did not. I ate 14 tacos and my friend ate 16, I think. I haven't eaten anything today yet either. When you left Gabe's stream, I thought it was Taco Tuesday coming back to get you. No, dude, this thing just kicked me out like it did like yesterday, I think. It just said, nope, no more STV. Spy is rimming so good right now. Yep, it is. Please don't say it like that, though, because it just makes it weird. Like, can we not make it weird? Like, this is a rim right here, but please don't try and make it weird. Rookie numbers. The tacos are big, bro. The additive in the water helped them. How big the taco? They're big. Why are we? I don't understand. Why do we keep bringing up the concept of cold fish tacos? They're not cold. Am I missing a joke here? You guys are literally hurting my brain today. Like, like I hate to say it, but you guys are hurting me. Let's say a company's earnings are announced after hours today. If I don't know the direction, strangle could be advantageous. Yes, but you have, or both sides. It can. Nobody knows the direction on earnings anyway. You're gambling either way. Strangles are technically the safest way to do it if you're buying premium. But again, both of those can expire worthless if it's a dud. Yeah, I don't understand this whole fish taco thing, bro. Let's see. Spy. That's the wrong one. That's the right one. Nice. Considering you like Chipotle, have I had Qdoba? No, I haven't. Been there forever. Guess I'm just out. Maybe I should just leave. Wait, what? Jerry, what are you saying? Do you understand Pink Taco? There actually is a place called Pink Taco around here. Like a legit restaurant that's called Pink Taco. Like, not even a joke. Oh, because you're so flabbergasted at the idea? Yeah, I mean, spot. Ooh, that's it's aggressive. I just don't like it, dude. Like, none of this is like, yeah, I want to take this. Did you eat tacos at Taco Bell? No. No. That's part of the joke. All right, guys. It's pretty easy to just like get me today with all this nonsense. The restaurant name is the joke. Yeah, well, I just figured out what the joke is. Apparently it's like decent. Oh, they were, yeah, never mind. If it breaks this low, what is this? 392.32, you might get blasted. Have I looked at HYMC lately? I'm so glad I didn't jump on that bandwagon. No, dude, I never bought that thing. I thought that was bullshit too. I was like, don't really like this one. All right, team, keep hitting that like button on the way. And if you guys have not already, let's have some fun today. Actually, I'm going to cause more emotional damage right now. Ready, set, go. Boom. Nancy looks like it's either going to go boom or doom. Everything does right now. All right, you're what, like 20 cents away from potentially getting really cracked on the spy here? What did you mean by you might get blasted? I mean that this thing could just knife into oblivion if it breaks that level there. Because then you have this wick to deal with, but it double bottomed here. If it breaks this, you could get Sally. Is it something that I'm trading? No, thank you. Chop City today. Did someone say crack? Waiting on Apple to drop. Not touching anything. Yeah, Apple's just been basically flatlined since like 11:40. Let's see. Market's too dangerous. Yeah, today it is. Let's see here. You guys are murdering the like button too. Thank you. I appreciate that, team. Made a profit of 13.5%. Done for the day. Fuck yeah. There you go, chill guy. Robert, now you want tacos? I don't. I do not want tacos. Getting blasted, pink tacos rimming. This used to be a market stream. All right, guys, come on now. I can't say things sometimes. You know, you just nonsense. Nonsense. Let's see. I had 10 likes at 12:30. Dude, it was always scheduled for 1:30. I don't know why you guys were saying I was late. I was not late. Let's see. Jesus, everybody's just being a child in the live chat today. What the? You guys. Let's see here. What am I gonna do? You guys want to talk about the market? I can't. Like, I can just go through this stuff and just be like, nonsense. Like, it's just all bullshit today. It's just chopping around. You know what would have been fucking great if we saw this morning? AMC puts from 680 to 610. Holy fuck! Wish I saw that one. Up 2.39%. Chop is no fun, but still green. Nice. Everyone is someone else's child. Thanks for that, I guess. All right. AMC puts was the only play for me today. I bet you fucking murdered it, John. Good shit, dude. Let's see. Same here. Oh, you guys all did it? Nobody was talking about this on the live stream with me this morning? I wasn't even looking at it. That was at what time? Oh, it was at 10:30. That's fair. That's fair enough. There she goes, Nancy. Not yet. Spy's just flickering around rimming here. Played the put, secured the bag at 16%. John, atta boy. There you go. It's too bad those puts don't make the price go up. Fucking idiots, bro. Oh my lord. I'm afraid to say you're buying puts on AMC. People get mad at you. Robert, fuck them. You're making money. That's what we're here to do. People get mad at you for what? Oh, you make money on a strategy. Get out of here with that. When's the next Fed speaker data release? Next Tuesday and Wednesday. So next Tuesday we have CPI. Then next Wednesday we have the Fed speakers. I probably won't trade next Wednesday. I don't really like trading Powell. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. If I size the fuck down, it's fun. But it's not like I'd rather just play the moves after. Nobody should be watching your pockets, Robert. Fuck them. Yep, 100%. Fuck them. What are they going to say? You're making... It's jealousy, Robert. That's what it is. They're like, I wish that I was as good as Robert, is essentially what they're doing. Let's see. Let's see here. This is just one of those days where the market's almost like watching paint dry. It's like, nope. 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 Like, it just continues to do it. 125 likes versus how many people watching right now? Come on, hit the like button. Or moniker. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. We're getting our way to 150. We're making our way there. What do we got? Virtue CEO Doug Sifu speaks at Goldman conference, says crypto meltdown. Posed some operational challenges. Virtue got out of FTX debacle without any losses. Yeah, okay, pal. You still on it? You get put from time to time, no worries. Dude, I saw somebody that legitimately, like I saw something floating around that was like, oh, if you own shares, you can hedge with buying calls. That's so fucking dumb. That is like, I have no words for how moronic that is. Again, guys, be so careful about who you're listening to. These people have no idea what they're talking about. Zero. Let's see. Apple just chopping around. Make that make sense. You own shares of anything, you buy calls on it. Is that a hedge? How are you fucking hedged, assholes? Jesus. It's the opposite of hedging. Oh, John's got a fucking brain. Nice. You could almost play a Strangle on Powell or Spy or yeah. Okay, so here's actually okay. This is interesting right here, and we can go over this for a second and get a little bit more on topic here. So everybody, listen up. This is how I play Powell sometimes. What I'll do is I'll get a Strangle and I'll tier take profits out. So I will buy with a very tiny percentage of my portfolio. What I will do is I will buy a Strangle that expires that day. Again, the total Strangle cost is less than 1% of my account. And what I'll do is I will tier out sell orders. So the initial move you can catch, and it'll just go like, if you see a big pop, you'll just go take profit, take profit, take profit, you're out. Okay, then if you set your take profits up like at decent levels, and you can catch the other move back down too, because you already have take profits set down there as well. I don't put stop losses in them. I just do take profits, and then they just flash up, flash down, and then you're done. That's how I played it last time, and I think I showed you guys how I did it on the last Fed meeting, and it worked very well. Because the first one was just boom up, hit it, and I was like, okay, cool. You bought a generator as a hedge against hurricanes? Yeah, dude, somebody literally said that. And I was like, what? To hedge shares, you either sell calls or buy puts? Thank you, guys. I'm glad that you guys are learning something. 0 day on those strangles? On those, I'll do 0 day. But again, remember, it's less than 1% of my account. Expand on tier out. The sell orders are already set before you start talking? Yes. So here's what I'll do. Let's say that the calls and the puts that I'm buying are both 100. Let's say I have 3 contracts on either side. I'll put a sell order at 115, 130, 150 or something like that. And I'll do that on both sides. So if it flashes quick, I'll get sold out on a tiered up position. So it's like take profit, take profit, take profit. The reason that I do that is because you're not going to be quick enough to sell your contracts on that first move. You're just not going to, especially if they're 0 day. You're not going to be quick enough to do it. So I set it up beforehand so that when you see a big move, you can get out. So the orders are already there. But that's like a gamble on a Fed meeting. Like that's not something that you can do all the time or should do all the time. You can short the futures against the position. You can do that if you're trading like ETFs or indexes. You could run basis trades and stuff like that. I bet if you ask some of these people what a fucking basis trade is, they'd be like, I don't know. I'm going to buy calls to hedge my shares. You're putting yourself in timeout. It's bad, man. I mean, people are getting led to the slaughter. Here's the thing. You don't need to have an IQ to build a following. Simple as that. You just need to say things that people will agree with. What's a basis trade? We can go through that one day, but it's like basis trades are like when you buy, you can do it. You should be able to do it with like indexes, but what people do is it's the only risk in a basis trade is counterparty risk. So you essentially have a risk-free spread and you can long or short Bitcoin and you can long or short the future. And as it converges in time, you essentially have like a spread that converges and you make a guaranteed percentage. Isn't that arbitrage? It's sort of arb. It's sort of arbitrage. It's not like what people typically think of as arbitrage, where you're like the triangular one, where you like what people most likely learn when they learn arbitrage is like the triangular one, where you have X currency, then you basically exchange it for another, then you exchange it for another, and then it comes back to the initial currency as at a what do you call it? At a higher value. That's like it's I forget the exact term for it, but it's triangular. But it's sort of arb. There's a lot of things that you can do. There's like just random things that we could just go over sometimes where it's like, oh, you could do this. And it's like, should you know? You don't have enough money to do it. But there are very cool things out there that you got like that people just don't know about. And then there are other assholes that are like, oh, I'm gonna hedge my shares with calls. Brilliant. Fucking gonna win the Nobel Prize with that one. New lifetime member right there. First day trading up $700. Holy fuck. VIX, aren't iron condors good in the choppy days where the stock price is pinned to the zone for the most of the day? Yes. You know why iron condors are also really good? It halves your max risk and doubles your max gain. They're pretty cool. But you need a margin account to do it. You've like credit to collateral ratios. There's a lot of things you have to take into account when you're selling spreads. A lot of things. Where Baloo did that triangular arbitrage? Yeah. You used to be able to do them like crazy. Not anymore. I mean, you used to be able to like there were a lot of things that just because of like computers, when you have so here's the thing that you guys got to realize. Think about it like this. So back in let's say the 1960s or 70s, where there weren't really like algorithms and all this nonsense in the market where they're trading super fast. When you have more volume like that and more transactions, it's going to tighten spreads. You made 100K shorting AMC? Did you? That's great, Emil. Are you going to be a productive member of the live chat today, or are you going to say some nonsense? But think about it like that. So, dude, you're like 12? Oh, I knew you were going to come in here with some bullshit. I knew it, bro. I knew it. I just knew it. Emil comes in here and just like talks nonsense. Emil, if I'm like 12, I'm like the most successful 12-year-old of all time. Get out of here. What happened to AMC? What bad news? I mean, there was bad news, but it was going down anyway. That's how I do your Bitcoin long on the spot, short the perpetual futures, collect a funding fee. Yeah, that's basis trades, bro. That's fucking great. So as it converges, you start to see open live streams attract flies. Yeah. $200 equals the most successful 12-year-old. Yeah. Love it. Let's see here. All right, guys. Oh, shit. We're 14 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Let's see. Dollar moving. 10-year moving. This is exactly why we were talking about not taking that. That just didn't make sense. Let's see. How's Invictus doing? That's coming back. All right. Let's see what's going on Twitter. So, nothing wrong with looking young. Bro, Emil's been in here doing this for like forever. And the funny thing is too, is that in order to say something in the live chat, you have to be subscribed to me. Like that's how it works. Let's see. Doogie Howser, the stock market, bro. These people just can't. I'll just like run circles around them in just like overall market knowledge. And it's like, I'm not trying to be an asshole. It's like, you have to learn it. These are things you need to know. Let's see. Sifu says new generation exposed to brokerages like Robinhood. Can't unsubscribe if you don't subscribe first. I guess, man. I mean, now SPY's trying to come back up to VWAP here. Just chopping. We got hour 20 left in the market today. What's my prediction for PPI on Friday? I don't really have one. It's going to come out, what, pre-market, right? Yeah. I mean, it's not even useful to really give a prediction for it. If it comes in hot, we're going to sell off. If it comes in lower than expected, we'll probably pop. It's just play the chart. Just play the chart, guys. Don't try to front run the market. The market, that's how the market takes money from everybody. If you try to guess what the market's about to do next, it's going to steal all your money. Be careful. Like in terms of like on a news flip, let the chart tell you where it's going to go. You know what the chart's telling you today? Fucking do nothing. Let's see. 3 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. SPY rejected VWAP. Do I think it's a decent long-term investment? Not. I mean, this goes back to what we were saying before. No matter what I say, like it doesn't matter. Like I could say yes, and then people are gonna still buy it, and then it goes down more, and then people are gonna be like, "Fuck!" It's like, not really, man. Like it could, if somehow, some way they're able to wipe their debt clean, sure. If not, no. And the other thing too is that just because something is down a lot does not mean that it's a good investment right now. Would you buy Carvana? Would you buy Teladoc? Would you buy what else? Anything that's been just manhandled. Like Carvana, really good example. You had all these opportunities to buy it. Like Carvana goes from 376 down to what, 150? Okay, so at 150, is that a good buy price? No. Just because it's down 50% doesn't mean it's a good investment. Okay, then it goes to 55. It's at 50. Oh, wow. But it was at 376. This is what most people do in the market team. They're like, oh, it's at 50. What if it got back to all-time highs? It's like, that doesn't mean anything. It's down for a reason. It's not like people like to say it's like, oh, it's because of this. It's like, no. Airbnb. That one's a little bit, I think that's a little different. But Carvana is a great example of one. Then it goes to what? 20. Is it a good buy then? You have to understand the numbers. What are the fundamentals? Fundamentals matter. So do technicals. It all matters. You know what else matters? Macro. What's going on with the overall macroeconomic environment right now? Well, we're in a rising interest rate environment. And if we were to go through a discounted cash flow model, which I think would be a very helpful thing for you guys to see exactly how it works, the discount rate that is used to discount future cash flows to a present value goes up, which means that the present values go down. So every single time rates go up, those discount rates go up too. At 380, is this a good buy? Let's look at the news. Oops. Carvana stock tumbles 35%, risking worst day on record as bankruptcy fears rev up. Here's another one. Where's Revlon? Where's Revlon? Revlon's gone. So my goal is to I just hope you guys learn how to just see the market in a different way than most retail investors do. And that's what we're going to continue to do over here. We've got platform coming out to help you guys make money. We're going to be able to continuously add stuff to that as well. So it's going to be fun, man. I can't wait. Yeah, I just got always learning, always saving. Yeah, I just ditched Ortex. It's not really useful. It's probably high. By Redbox. Remember the Redbox or Revlon to like 1,000 and 100 people? Where are they now? Probably blown up accounts. Remember how we used to get pissed at that too? I was like, guys, you can't do this. Spy Head and Shoulders. Okay. Look at NVIDIA today. That looks like Head and Shoulders. What happened? Rip. Careful with chart patterns. Why did Disca get delisted a while ago? It became Para. Or no, that was Viac became Para. I think it got bought by Warner Brothers. One of them got bought by Warner Brothers, I think. My favorite is Mullen. Yeah, that was another one. It's like here's what I want you guys to understand and think about when you're seeing things on social media. And when you're listening to try and put your money into some place. Yeah, Disca's now WB. Yeah, it was Warner Brothers. So help me understand why SoFi is not a good investment right now. Don't they have a lot of exposure and like they have a lot of I'd have to look at the numbers, but they have a lot of exposure to something. That's why they're not running. I'd have to look at it. Because there is something about SoFi. I just forget what it is, why investors are selling it. It has to, I don't know if it's student loans. It might be the student loan stuff. I'd have to continue to look at that one though. But Prague, another good example. If you're trying to get like filthy rich on one play, and that's what people are trying to tell you, it's probably going to go up in flames. Now, that being said, there is always potential for things to go up a lot. But you have to be super careful when things start to go. If you're not late, you're exit liquidity. And those are things you have to understand. Tacos. Tacos were good, dude. Let's see here. Dumblon's dad. The copy the new chart settings. You should just be able to do the same thing as you were previously. Take care all. Market's crazy. Don't do anything risky. 100%. I'll go. We'll probably have to talk about what the Rita stuff is doing. I haven't had a chance to take a look at it yet. I would want to see more of what happened at the end of the day, like after close, and see what it wants to do. Are strangles for SPX a good idea before the Fed news? If you're fine with potentially losing every single cent that you put into them, yes. Anytime you do a strangle, that's what you have to be fully willing to see it go to zero. There's no coupon box, only a GIF as far as I went. There's just a drop down that you have to go into. PBIG was another one. What's it doing? Probably nothing. Where is this thing? Everybody's just fucking around. Like, it's at 52 fucking cents, bro. Oh my God. Where did people say this was going to go? 20? Where did it end up getting up to? 12? Cool. That's great. Oh, yeah. 12.50. Cool. Now it's at 50 cents. It just makes my fucking blood boil. That people are out there. Oh, Jesus, bro. Is Robo 4X a good way to start? Probably not, bro. Let's see. Let's see. All right, I got to use the bathroom for like 2 seconds, team, so I will be right back in. Make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in, and I apologize for accidentally slipping that, what do you call it, out earlier? The link. All you guys that are already in our community, go to the announcements tab if you want early access. I think there should be a couple of more spots on that one. You hate public streams? It happens. All right, I'll be right back. Give me like 2 seconds. All right, team. We're back. Let's see. SPY slipping a little bit lower. Invictus chilling at 50%. Let's see. What's that? No. Taco number 3 gone? No. All right, let's see. Nancy rimming a little bit. Dude, it's just a bunch of nonsense. Kidding. How to start? Brand new to this stuff? Ivan, I mean, what I would do is heavily consider coming in with us, and please try not to be what I like to call a strategy whore, which is just hopping around to different places and just trying to learn different things and following basically shiny object syndrome. With what we do, I mean, the 1348 crossover is the most profitable EMA crossover strategy. It works. You see our members printing all the time. But hang around here with us. We'll get you going, man. What's up, Jack and everybody? Just dropping by to say hi. Hope everyone's doing well. Brian, what's up, buddy? How you doing? For those of you guys that didn't know, Brian was who took me to that Red Sox game one time, and we had the best tickets of my entire life, bro. Those were fucking awesome. And Ivan, if you search up Review Dork 1348 on YouTube, my buddy Gabe has a lot of public videos about the strategy too. AMC rimming on the 5 down. Yeah, it probably is. Yeah. Do you see this triangle pattern? Having it your stop loss up and be starting to close your position if it breaks out. Pepe, what are you talking about? Parsa, I mean, sort of, but did what thing, Pepe? Bro, people are big mad. I love it. Did what thing, buddy? All right. Oh, what's this? Let's see. All right. Hold on. Nancy slipping. Where's the dollar? What time is it? The dollar's peeking its head up. It's if it can get it. Hold on. What's this probability at right now? 74.7. Okay. Something that would be nice to have for a platform is a comment section for Invictus alerts. Ooh, that would be fun. That would be fun. Let's see. Where's oil? I'm just trying to look for some. Oil's down. Natural gas is up nicely. What's tomorrow? Jobs report. That's it. PPI Friday. Apple slipping. Dude, this is just slow as shit. The Dixie one day isn't pretty good for metals. Yeah. I mean, if you're looking at it on the daily, where is it right now? Yeah. So here, remember what we were talking about with the dollar in the videos? I mean, it's just walking its way down here, which is weird. Dollar down should mean SPY's barely red. Usually on GME earnings, nothing happens. Except for the split news, but I don't know what the hell they're gonna say. SPY moving lower. Your latest bunch of TLT calls are up 19%. Houston Patriot. You guys have been killing TLT recently. Good shit, team. Good shit. Let's see here. Yeah, they never give guidance. The calls are, well, now they're 22% and climbing. Houston. Yeah, the TLT moves have been sweet. I mean, they're buying the fuck out of the bonds right now, dude. The 10-year slipped 350. That's just, this is all risk off. How's that pivoted narrative now when everybody's flying into the fucking bond market, dude? Like, this is nuts. When you guys see, so what we're looking at on the chart here, this chart is the yields of the 10-year treasury bonds. When yields go down, it means people are buying them. So when you see this happen, it's like everybody's flying into risk off, which, and it just slipped that wick. Yeah, it's still going. TLT should be moving up on that nicely here. Yeah, there it goes. Look at them separately. Yeah, man, it works. Some days they'll link up and do what they're supposed to do, but if you look at the dollar on the 5-minute here, this is, I mean, it chops. I mean, this would typically signal market rally. We saw this morning, and I was like, what? Like, that was this. Like, this move up in the SPY was the dollar tanking. Now SPY's coming down a little bit here with the dollar slowly trying to pick its head up. Yields are getting murdered. What's the link to the new platform, John? It is in the Discord. Right now, it's only open to those of you guys that are already existing members of our previous Discord community. We'll let you guys know, those of you guys that aren't in there yet, when it's time to start filtering in. Okay, so now the bonds are selling off a little bit. Yeah, this is nothing about this price action today is like, yeah, I like this. It's all nonsense to me right now. What's the ticker for the bond yields? It should be US 10Y. Yeah, US 10Y right here. Unless you got the code. Right, but that's also the code. I think it still has a few uses left. So guys, if you're in here, go to the announcement section. You guys can go in there and get some. I think we added some more. Nah. Let's see. Let's see. What's the code? Stop it. You're not going to catch me here. Let's see. Nicholas apes a pile of garbage. Let's see. Let's see. You never sold Ape when you got it. Did anyone? Anybody that was listening and knew the actual, like, yes, most people sold it, dude. Like it's a dumpster fire. I'd rather not continue to talk about this, like Ape and everything. It's just so terrible. Let's see here. All right, team, keep hitting that like button on the way in. Let's see what we got over here. Where's my? Oh, it's right here. Should you sell now? I mean, I don't know, man. You can do whatever you want. I was trying to warn people about this when it was at 7. I can't really do much about it now. Do I have your email address or when I send you some info on for when you're back in CT? Yeah, it's I don't think I might have your or you can just shoot me a message on Instagram, buddy. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. All right. The code is up, up, down, down, left, right, select, start. No. No, it's not. I don't understand why people don't realize Adamant stole your money with Ape. Yeah, I mean, that's what I was saying. Like, it's what I was saying. Let's see. Code is 150K. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a dumpster fire, dude. There's not much you can do about it. Oh, Weeble? Yeah, Weeble's solid. Chop City. Nothing, dude. The code is Yo Mama. That's not the code. He didn't steal it. I got a cool Ape NFT. Should we cause more emotional damage? I feel like we should. Apple slipping a little here. Huh. What's that Ape NFT worth now? Probably less than Ape. Let's see. Apple's slipping a little here. It's about to get that new MACD crossing down too. Oh no, oh no, oh no. What's wrong, Chris? What happened? NW builds? Nah, metamaterials is garbage. Consumer credit came out high. Good or bad? Let's see. What was the number? Median forecast 26 billion. If it comes in high, I don't think that's that bad. I actually think that's decent. Let's see. Michael, that's fine if you still own it, man. I just hope that you realize exactly that we've just been spot on the entire time. And it's like, it's been over since 8. You appreciate my input? Thank you. It's just another one of those stocks that retail likes to kind of gravitate towards and put its hands on and try to send really high. And it usually doesn't go well for everybody. Just read the chart. Get in and out. Take your base hits and move on. It's very simple. Let's see here. All right. All right, team. Here's what we're going to do. We are probably going to be wrapping up the live stream for today. So, everybody, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way out. Dude, you didn't get your ape NFT? He was playing chess against the apes, not the shorts. Yeah, guys, I literally don't want to talk about it anymore. All I want to do is just like literally just make sure that everybody knows that people who said that it was a good idea are fucking idiots. That's it. So, other than that, team, it was an entertaining day, if not a good day. Yeah, I mean, it's just chopping around. You could see a little bit of a move going into close, but after what we saw the last 2 days, this market really just chopped around today. So, let's see what we get. I mean, probably nothing crazy is going to happen. Going to be from your Candor company, not the personal account. Brian, that's perfectly fine, man. So, team, I'll see you a little bit later. Again, for all of you guys that are already in our community, you might still have access to the code. If you're not on platform yet, make sure you guys go check that out. But again, as always, our goal is to make sure that everybody has the ability to make money in the market. And we're just going to continue to do that. So, team, I'll see you later. Be careful. Don't do anything stupid the rest of the day. Other than that, peace.